Hey guys, it's Camo here, and today I'll be showing you how to make a cheap and easy riot shield for Airsoft. Let's get started. Now in this video I'm going to be running a couple of tests. For the first one, I'm going to be using a long cardboard carpet tube and 2 pieces of cardboard. The reason for the tube is because I've seen some vehicle armors that utilize ridges in the armor in order to block bullets or even catch them. So that's what we're going to do for this one. And now we have to cut these in half. Now we have our tubes. Set this off to the side. Take your cardboard. Lay it out, okay? Yeah. Now that you've done that, you can see how the bridges are, right? So, basically, if you were to shoot at this, sometimes the BBs will sometimes get caught in these little ridges right here. And since this is curved, it is less likely to penetrate through the cardboard. Now, if you want to put a sight hole through this, get a little bit of plastic with some tape on it. Or adhesive, and cut a little hole wherever you want. As those dry, I'm going to show you another way how you can make a cheap riot shield, and we'll see if they hold up as well. Step 1: buy a plastic container. Get stuff like this. See right here. This, I don't know how you say that, Sterlite containers, or you could use just a regular container top, and strap a band around it or something in order to run around like that. You could spray paint these, but I don't know. Alright guys, now since our riot shield has dried, all we have to do is test them out.
It's time to get cheeky breaky. Plastic Tupperware top does not work. Break off like cookie. I do not like.
It was very sad. I agree. Let's go to the next one.
But as you can see, the second one, it held it good. But as you see, exit point totally. So I would kind of recommend this for anyone here who wants to seal. Next one. In the one we made previously, it held up good. As you can see, there are no exit points. It hold up like good metal run. It stays strong and catch BB whenever you want. It is like communism. Give you free stuff.